Hey folks, welcome back to our tech adventure. Today we are jumping into the latest marvel from NVIDIA, the pioneers of AI innovation. Get ready to deep dive into a game-changing tool that's revolutionizing the world of artificial intelligence. But hey, before we get too deep into this mind-bending research paper, let's take a moment to remember the skepticism from our last video about text-to-video timelines. Well, hold on to your hats because NVIDIA just tossed another surprise our way. But before that, if you're really interested in learning AI tools, we have a wonderful workshop with us. Link is in description.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you this packet of biscuit. But what if I tell you that 9 rupees can help you save your job? What if I tell you that 9 rupees can 3x your salary? Yes, this is possible because I am going to conduct a workshop at just rupees 9 on ChatGPT and other AI tools, which is highly recommended for all working professionals out there.
Now, a new AI software research paper has emerged and it's the time for an electrifying deep dive. Hold on to your seats because NVIDIA has just released a research paper that's about to redefine the way we look to text-to-video conversion. Prepare to be astonished as we unravel the detail behind the high-resolution video synthesis and with the latent diffusion models. Simple terms, they have transformed stable diffusion models into an efficient and expressive text-to-video tool capable of producing stunning 4K resolution videos. Imagine this. You input a simple text prompt and AI bring it to life as a vivid high-resolution video. Take a closer look at the magic in action. Picture this breathtaking scene, a serene sunset time-lapse at the beach with moving clouds and vibrant colors dancing across the sky. This isn't just any ordinary video, it's generated from mere text. While not yet flawless, it's remarkable how close AI has come to creating lifelike visuals from scratch. So how exactly does this futuristic wizard work? Before diving deeper, you all know that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. And if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tool workshop in which we will teach you about the best way to upskill, increase your productivity and enhance your career. Now, let's dive deeper into the nuts and bolts. NVIDIA innovation revolves around turning text-to-image models into dynamic text-to-video generators. In their research, they have harnessed stable diffusion models to transform text prompts into mesmerizing moving pictures. The results are awe-inspiring. Even though there are still some fine-tuning ahead, let's shift our focus to the real stars of the show. For example, NVIDIA has graced us with a gallery of text-to-video wonders, from a teddy bear stunning a guitar to a stormtrooper vacuuming on the beach. Yes, you read that right. These are early glimpses of AI creative capabilities. Keep your critical eye open through. While not perfect, these examples reveal the AI's determination to overcome challenges. As per our journey through the example, a pattern emerges. Some videos are closer to perfection than others. Fantasy landscape, tranquil time lapse, and serene settings seem to be the AI sweet spots. But when it comes to moving elements like animals, the challenge becomes evident. Still, the progress is undeniable. And just like with early DALL-E 2 days, we are witnessing a technology on the rise. But hold on to your curiosity because NVIDIA isn't stopping there. They have unleashed personalized video generation. Imagine fine-tuning AI to place your objects in any scene you desire. It's like having a portable green screen. Whether it's your dog frolicking underwater, a teapot floating in an ocean, or a Kermit the Frog playing guitar in a band, AI is sharpening up to be the ultimate visual storyteller. Now let's buckle up and switch gears. NVIDIA AI extends to driving scenarios by training AI on real-world driving videos. They have crafted simulations that put you in a driver's seat. Dash cams and dynamic scenes come to life with remarkable accuracy. Even though there is some fine-tuning to be done, the potential for practical applications is undeniable. As we near the end of this captivating journey, it's clear that NVIDIA AI is pushing boundaries we never thought possible. From mesmerizing landscape to dashcam simulations, the potential applications are vast. But here's the burning question is, could we see Midjourney to take center stage in the future? It's a question worth pondering. Before we wrap things up, I want to hear from you. Which of these AI-generated videos blew your mind the most? Do you see a place for these technologies in your everyday life? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's keep this conversation going. Remember, the future is here and AI is reshaping the ways we experience the visuals. Stay curious and stay engaged. Until next time, keep exploring the ever-evolving world of AI driven wonders. This was Ushma signing off until next time.